This all could have been avoided. It all could have been avoided. I was going to go live today, but I don't really feel like it. And T Woods, I don't know if you caught her live or not, but she did a phenomenal live today. And she covered basically everything I wanted to discuss. I mean, I have a few things I want to add to it. And if you didn't see it, I'm sorry, you missed a good live. I'm sure Mo's House of Gossip, go to her page. Maybe she got some clips. I don't know. But this all could have been avoided, okay? Can't start drama on the internet and then have the audacity to be upset when people want to discuss it. My page is not a Brene only content page, y'all. My world does not revolve around what's going on with these people. Yes, I do talk about her in the case and everybody involved, and I have for several months now, but that's not the only content I have on my page. So when I see something, as I have said several times throughout the whole week, when I see something, I say something. When I noticed things were unraveling for the group, was if you go back 6, 7 days ago, I had posted a video regarding the interaction that I seen between Tatted and Glow. I made my commentary based off of that interaction. It was a disrespectful interaction. Well, I wouldn't say she wasn't talking to Glow, but she was talking in reference to Cartier. And by now, everybody should know the story. So when I made that video, Tatted responded. I continued to respond to Tatted. And it just all unraveled from there. People are saying that we only spoke out because of Monet. That's not true. Okay, so back when Glow was insinuating that there was an issue within the group, I remember people were underneath the video clip over there on Mo's House of Gossip who were assuming it was about Monet. And even I said in the comments, I don't think it's about Monet. Monet liked that comment. So I'm like, oh yeah, it ain't about Monet. Turns out it was about Monet. But again, I did not find this out until after the video I made regarding Tatted. So when I made the video regarding Tatted, several videos regarding Tatted, people started reaching out to me. I don't know, out the woodworks. People were just reaching out, venting, and telling me things and information that they know, private information that I have not shared with anyone. Okay? The NDA video was put out. Same day that the video was put out, I have received a copy of the NDA, read over it immediately. Like it didn't take me 2 minutes to see that it was not anything that would hold up in court. Okay? I also want to make it very clear that not only Caramel got people who have reached out to me, but there are other people who have their own personal Discord who have reached out to me and just, want a little advice because I do know the law. Okay? I know how to read the law. I know how to understand the law. I understand there's a lot of people who are disappointed with Feather, but you did it to yourselves. This is what happens with these social media representatives. This, me, who you see here, is a social media representative. This, my online personality, is indeed not my personality in real life. I mean, it is to an extent, but no, that drunk that y'all seen online, that's me. No, but for real, no, I'm not drunk, y'all. I do like to get it in when I get it in, but I'm not drunk. But anyway, y'all, she already told y'all that she was a legal nerd. She's giving y'all disclaimer after disclaimer in every video. But that's not the point. The point is we have to stop depending on getting secondhand information from people. You have to learn how to do the research yourself. Even when it comes to the news that you hear about what's going on in this country, you have to do the work yourself. You cannot rely on other people to give you secondhand information and expect it to be a fact. So take that part as a learning lesson. All right. So getting back to what I'm saying, Caramel is not the only person who had issues with members. Okay. There are people who are taking this very seriously. And I'm not just speaking on Shorty 88. I didn't get wind of her information until after the fact. People are taking this very seriously. They're looking towards pursuing legal action. And y'all can't get on here and tell us when to shut up. We didn't start this. We didn't start this. You can't start something and tell somebody when they need to finish it. No, that's not how any of this works. People need to be aware. And those people within the Discord, as I said last night, when I went over the statement that the group made, if you are inside of any of these Discords, you too could be held responsible for harassment, for defamation, for intimidation, for stalking, all of the things. So I would suggest, if y'all are still behind the scenes doing shady business, I would advise people to stop and stop today. Okay?